Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning again. This is Anthony from Anthem of the Seas. It is well said, conveying gratitude is never late nor enough. My heart goes to Royal Caribbean International Shoreside Team, the Anthem of the Seas management team, the working crew members, Indian as well as from different nationalities. Thank you very much for taking care of us and keeping us safe and sound. Well, let's go and meet some of the crew members behind the scene. So after meeting all the crew members behind the scene, I like to say, well, India is diverse and versatile country. India have many dialects. I like to feature my colleagues saying thank you to Royal Caribbean in their own native dialect. Here we go.
नमस्ते रॉयल कैरिबियन। आपने हमें हमारे घर तक पहुंचाने का जो प्रयास किया है बहुत ही सराहनीय है। हम सभी भारतीय कर्मचारियों की तरफ से आपका आभार प्रकट करते हैं। जय हिंद।
देव बरे करो रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
मी रॉयल कॅरिबियनचे मनापासून आभार मानतो।
ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ರಾಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್।
धन्यवाद रॉयल कैरिबियन।
अनेक धन्यवाद टू रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
धन्यवाद रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
വളരെ നന്ദി റോയൽ കരീബിയൻ।
शुक्रिया रॉयल कैरिबियन।
ꯌꯥꯝ नुꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
धन्यवाद रॉयल कैरिबियन।
मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ रॉयल कॅरिबियन का।
റോയൽ കരീബിയൻ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ।
Kuble Shubun Royal Caribbean.
ಸುಲ್ಮೇಲು ಸಂದ ಒಂದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ।
मैं घर चो जानो हूँ रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
नमस्ते, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद रॉयल कैरिबियन।
खूप खूप आभार रॉयल कॅरिबियन।
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹੈ ਰੋਇਲ ਕੈਰੀਬੀਅਨ ਦਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ।
Well, now it's time to meet a very important personnel from Anthem of the Sea, Mr. Tolga Kankaya, the FMB director. Sir, thank you very much for giving me your precious time. And how do you feel about this massive repatriation journey to India?
Well, Anthony, first of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me to say thank you to each and every one of our Indian crew members for being a part of this journey. On way back in May 4th, that when we have informed by our shoreside that we will repatriate our Indian crew members, to be honest, it was a really exciting news for all of us on board Anthem of the Seas. We said that, wow, this is going to be a great journey, and me personally, that I've been working for Royal Caribbean for 21 years now, and I was so excited to reunion back again with the friends, colleagues, my seniors from the past experiences on other ship, and it was really thrilling news for all of us. After we receive our Indian crew members, as a food and beverage director, myself and the chef, we reimagined the menus, we created the different variety of the food and items that we can cater to our Indian crew members, and I hope from the bottom of my heart that we reached all the expectations and we make you happy while that we are trying to make your journey safe, at the same time that we wanted to make it more enjoyable as well. Again, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you for being an amazing part of this journey. Thanks for your collaboration. Thanks for helping us with the being social distance, wearing your masks all the time. Please look after yourself, your families. When you get home, say hi to all of them from us, and we'll see each other again on any other cruise ship vessel in the future in Royal Caribbean. Once again, like everybody else say, we'll be back stronger. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, sir. We indeed had good time, and thank you very much for keeping all the Indian crew members so much happy. Well, I hope you have enjoyed my small presentation, and to you, all the working crew member of the Anthem of the Sea, I salute your hard work and elegance in delivering the wow to all the crew members on board here. To all my colleagues who are going back home to India, have a nice journey back home, and God bless us. Be safe, and we will meet again. Till then, take care.